If you look at this card, it almost feels like a scene from a story. A calm knight is slowly riding a white horse, not rushing, not fighting, just moving forward with peace. He is holding a golden cup very carefully, like it carries an important message or a sincere offer. His clothes have fish patterns, showing emotions, dreams, and imagination. Even the way he moves feels gentle and thoughtful, not aggressive like other knights. The white horse shows purity and good intentions. Behind him, the land looks dry and empty, but a river is flowing through it. It's like he is bringing emotion, love, and life into a place that feels empty. The suit of cups is connected to the element of water, which represents feelings, love, and intuition. Overall, this card is about romance, invitations, and following your heart. If upright, yes or an invitation. If reversed, no or confusion or false promises. Career business studies. If upright, you may receive a new offer or opportunity, especially something creative. It shows a time to follow what you enjoy, not just work for money. You may do well by being calm, kind, and understanding with others. In business, it shows smooth communication and good deals. In studies, it shows interest, imagination, and enjoying what you learn. If reversed, an opportunity may look good at first, but may not be reliable. Someone may promise more than they can actually give. In career, avoid getting carried away by big ideas without checking facts. In business, be careful of plans that sound too easy or unrealistic. In studies, you may lose focus or feel distracted. Love relationship breakup. If upright, this card shows romance and emotional connection. Someone may express their feelings or make a sincere offer. In a relationship, it shows love, care, and meaningful moments together. In a breakup, it can mean a calm conversation or someone new entering your life with good intentions. If reversed, it can show someone who likes the idea of love but avoids real commitment. There may be confusion, mood changes, or mixed signals. Promises may not be kept. In a breakup, someone may return with sweet words but without real change. Health. If upright, it shows emotional balance and a calm state of mind. This can support healing and overall well being. If reversed, you may be ignoring real health concerns. Emotional stress may affect your energy. It is important to take practical steps and care for your body. General guidance. If upright, follow your feelings and express yourself honestly. Be open to love, creativity, and new opportunities. If reversed, do not get carried away by illusions or empty promises. Stay practical and look at the reality of the situation. So, the Knight of Cups teaches you to move gently through life, to follow your heart but also stay balanced, to value emotions but not lose yourself in them.